Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make highlights on Instagram. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, just make sure that your account is a personal account, not creator or business, okay? You can only add highlights if you have the personal account. So, as you can see here, I'm currently under my profile. So, under your profile section, just tap on the plus sign that says new, tap on it, and then you can go ahead and select from one of your stories, okay? Or archived stories. So all you got to do is select the photos that you wanted to include in your highlight, and then just tap on next. Once that's done, go ahead and give it a name, for example, sample, all right? You can go ahead and edit the cover as well. Select from one of your photos or upload a new one. For example, I'm going to select this headset, and then I'm going to hit on done. Done. Done once more at the top, and after that you should be good to go. Just wait for it to load. There you go. Tap on not now, and here we have it, sample. That's how easy it is to make highlights on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.